Want to see a full list of channels on YouTube TV? It's easy to browse what's available in your subscription. Let me show you how to do it. When you open the YouTube TV app or website, look for the guide icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top left corner. Clicking this will pull up the complete channel lineup. You can scroll through the list to see all the channels included in your plan. Everything from live TV networks like ESPN and CNN to local affiliates like ABC or CBS. If you're looking for a specific channel, use the search bar at the top of the screen. Just type in the name of the channel, and it'll pop up instantly if it's part of your subscription. Another way to explore channels is by heading to the Live tab. This shows you what's currently airing on all your available channels, so you can jump straight into something that catches your eye. For easier access, you can favorite your most watched channels. Just click the heart icon next to a channel in the guide, and it'll be added to your favorites for quick browsing later. And that's it! Now you know how to list and explore channels on YouTube TV. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!